Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Telco Guy. So, for today, I'm going to show you how you can summarize videos on YouTube very, very quickly and for free. Now, what you want to do here, let's say Apple 16 introduction. We want to take a video and then to have it summarized, the best way to do this is by simply having a third party to summarize your video. So, for example, this one is Black Box AI. So, what it can do for you is it can summarize your videos, or you can summarize YouTube videos. So, for example, summarize a YouTube video. So here you already have here. It shows you the things you need to do. Find the YouTube video and summarize. Yep. Okay, so let's say this one. We want to summarize this YouTube video. So let's put the link. Summarize this YouTube video. And there you have it. So automatically, AI applications like Black Box AI can definitely work in terms of summarizing YouTube videos. Just like here, as you can see, it summarized the video for us instantaneously. So it uses different web searches. It uses web search, deep search models. It has a beast mode even. And it can also generate or AI generate images and upload files, and at the same time kind of like summarize those files as well for you. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out. If we did, please do hit the like and of course subscribe button and follow us for more tips and tricks only here on Tech Help Guy.